both YM and ES. Those range situations, although it's a tighter range on the YM. Back to the 60, and then on the ES, same thing. We've seen it in the past, guys. These range situations. So you gotta take your opportunities when you get your opportunities. Again, these are the days. These are the days. Somebody, is there anybody writing this down? You guys listening or just listening? And am I putting you back to sleep with my?
No, it's good stuff. Keep talking.
Keep it talky.
Need to listen.
Keep on talky. Okay. Write it down, guys. Write it down. Mama said there'd be days like this. Okay, seriously though. So we've seen days like this before. Good. All right. Perfect. Thank you, Killer B. Um, guys, we've seen this happen in the past quite a few times recently, right? Over the past, I don't know, year, even in the past 6 months, we've seen this happen several times. Both YM, ES, these range type of days, these range type of environments. So what do you do in those types of days? These types of days. These are the days that are going to be slow. Summer doldrums. You've heard that before, right, guys? Oh,
Summer trading.
month of the year do the biggest moves typically happen on average? Who knows that?
John.
I know that. Anybody? Who knows that? What month of the year do the biggest moves typically happen?
I
Happen.
know. I know what.
Hey,
I know what month
go
they
ahead.
don't happen.
There you go, guys. Monica's copying Wilbur. Between August and September. Correct. Okay. So this is why this is called the summer doldrums, meaning that this is for your notes. Monica's like, I didn't copy him. What's wrong with you? Oh man. Um. So what do you do? You may want to take targets a little quicker, knowing that the odds of getting runners go down during these months. Be a little more patient. Your trading days, most people during these months should not expect the blockbuster returns that they get in the other months. Most people, days like today, think about it, guys. Yesterday, you did well, 3 or 4 trades. You didn't, may have gotten one runner. That would have been hard to do yesterday to get a runner. So expect the same thing today. Take your targets quick. That way you can be in a no lose situation quick. And then expect to manage a trade in into profits the way we teach you guys to do it. But at the end of the day, on the runner side of things, you've got to tell yourself you're happy with what the market gives you. Don't expect every trade to be a runner. Don't expect here, on the YM yesterday. Great example. You would have had to catch the low and ride up through all the garbage to get one runner yesterday on the long side. On the short side yesterday, you'd had to catch a high and ride it down the entire way to catch one runner. Just a runner on the YM yesterday. You had 2 chances. Think about that. The YM gave you how many chances? 2 yesterday. at runners, and you would have had still. Let's look at it. I mean, guys, look back. This is the kind of stuff that you've got to do to understand, kind of what you're looking at in the market. Literally, you'd had to catch the extreme highs and lows, and then hold through a bunch of junk to get there. Same thing on the ES, guys. Look at this. Let's go back. Yesterday, you had to catch the extreme high, take it down almost the entire way for the runner. You had to catch the low, ride it through a bunch of junk, which somebody did yesterday. Hats off to Wilbur, to catch a runner. That was it. Look at that, guys. Unless you were in the, you were brave enough to be long on the murder bot session at 350. That's the only two opportunities through the day you had. Now, yeah, you could have guessed and went long at the end of the day yesterday, but again, that's just a guess. That's not prudent trading, if you will. That's not being a what's the word I'm looking for? It's not being it's not treating this as a professional if you're guessing on long and short trades. So treating it as a professional means you take their trades when the opportunities arise, following the plan, and they get your targets off, take what the market gives you, be happy with it. Move on to the next one. If you have a daily goal of $1,000 and you get 400 today, be happy with it. That's the point I'm trying to make. There's going to be a day where you're going to come back, you're going to follow the rules, follow the plan, and you're going to make 3 grand. They will average out over time. So during these summer doldrum areas, start looking for the sell signal, guys. Now we are getting close to the open. So maybe we can get one shot at this. Morning, Sandra. Yeah, there you go. John, Hunter's wood snails. 300 yesterday. But it's okay. That's what the market gave you. Yeah, starting to get a little bit of an M on the ES. Richard, good eye. Thank you. Treat this like a professional. But again, probably, yeah, maybe we get a chance at it. Let's see if we can try.
Good morning, Sandra. Welcome back.
Like the those of you showing up on trial, please make sure to watch those videos we put out there for you. And I hope you understand what we're doing, why we're doing it, how we're doing it. Series of about 7 videos, 7 5-minute videos that shouldn't be too hard for you guys to digest, to give you an idea of what we're doing, how we're doing it, why we're doing it, what charts we're using, and then take a little bit of time, schedule some questions together while you're on your trial, and schedule a little bit of time with a coach to answer those questions anytime you feel free to do so. Happy you're here. Sandra, it's good to see you, ma'am. Yeah, I still think we need to see that rally. So here we go, guys. Just being conservative. Wilbur. All right, 5 minutes till the open. Let's make sure we're ready to rock and roll. If you want to try to put a sell stop in, guys, you can do that. Make sure it's below this little M, if you will, on the ES. this little flag here for consolidation on the YM. Be able to do that. Make sure it's below that, or be a little patient. 5 minutes till the open. Charts are all blank. You might need to hit the refresh button in the top right-hand corner. All right, newer traders, you know this. Those of you that are newer, please wait from 9:30 to 9:36. Let the institutions do a little battling it out. Again, we did expect this little rally. So those that are two-way traders, you could have taken the long signal. Did not talk you through it because I don't want people doing rash things. Only advanced traders should be trading both ways today. There you go. Trade tables and seat. Trade tables up, seats in the full upright position. And is there anybody out there who did do the counter trend long? Yes, obviously bounced right off of a zone. YM obviously bounced right off that prior swing. Good job, Wilbur. You are considered an advanced trader, obviously. But let's just be patient for the short signal. And there is your little rally on the open. Be patient. Again, those who are advanced traders can trade through the open on the sell signals here. But everybody else, just be patient. Let it rally up some. We expected a rally. We got it. YM probably got a little bit further up to go. Yes, came straight to the prior swings like we wanted, got the sell signal. But again, only more advanced traders are trading through the open. Everybody else, be patient. Ticks did start a little low. So let it rally up just a little bit more. Ticks started pretty low. Again, more advanced traders. You can look at this as an M on the YM, bouncing off this little resistance level. Yes, people could have taken the sell signal or treat it like an M. Again, what I say earlier, you could just have your sell stop in. Yes is easy right now. You can just have your sell stop in. YM, you are being patient. Let it rally up a little bit more unless you're already long. And imagine that. Trend turns up. So, trend change days. Guys, we've seen this again. Gone through this a couple times this morning. Trend neutral-ish days tend to act like inside days. So you really want to pick a few good trades and get the heck done with your trading. Most people, I say most people, because some people are out there. There are a few people in this group that are able to trade all day and do very well with it. Oh. All right, let's see here. Just being patient unless you're long. Unless you're long, be patient. 133. So we'll push up again. We did expect that, right? Right, guys? So those that were two-way traders could have been long through this. I know some people are. This was to be expected. Should be hitting a little bit of resistance up here on the YM. So you can start looking. Very first comments, guys. Expect a rally on the open. We got it. Why? Because that's often what happens when the markets have one of these big push downs in the overnight session. Tend to see a bit of a rally. Kind of fakes everybody out. Everybody gets short early and then rally up, takes everybody out, and then they'll slam it back down here soon. or walk it back down here soon. Everybody can see my charts, right? You can pick the chart you want to see. Everybody can see that. Yes. You're able to pick the chart you want to see. YMES. Okay, good. All right. Just click on the see where it says Coach Brian ES charts, Coach Brian YM charts, right under where I'm speaking. You see the Coach Paul, Coach Brian at the top. Under that, you can just click on the chart you want. You can also double click on the chart. Once you click on it, pop it out. Move it to the screen if you want to. Sandra, can I forward this to Paul and see if he can help you out? Oh. Let me.
What's that? It's crazy, right, Damien?
What's that?
What kind of witchcraft is this? The charts pop out. You can have both of them on there. It's magic.
Witchcraft. All right, starting to get the sell signal. Here we go, guys. 938. Look at that. See if we can do the same thing on this guy. See if we can manage trade. Hopefully. Right. If not, you should let it rally a little bit more. And let me make a couple announcements. The trades that you guys see on the screen are example trades, not that you should take them or follow along. We're literally just putting the trade on button for our trade signals. That's it. Still got to fix that. Fix that little. There's your no lose trade on the YM now. For amusement purposes only. There you go. Amusement purposes only. That's what I'm here for. Amusement purposes only. Amusement purposes only. Yeah, Sandra, I'm not really sure how to help you out on that one, Sandra. I think all right, there's one. We tried it. So what do we see on the ES then? We probably want to get the heck out of this sucker as quick as possible. Get out of it. Save yourself some money. And then you can always try that again with a bigger M, guys. There you go. John's waiting. You can be patient. M is probably the name of the game on the ES. And again, so the Bulls have it for now. Sell signals should come below this little consolidation. What did we say about consolidation, guys? Look for what? What trade in consolidation? What trade?
Breakout.
There you go. The winning trade, Coach Hugo.
The winning trade.
The winning trade. Oh, it's just got to turn the button off. There you go. Still looking for that M trade on the ES, guys. Let's try this one more time. Try that one more time. Still looking for a little M trade on the ES. This target real quick so we can get to a no lose. There you go. There's just some trade management, no lose situation. Hey, Ramon, good morning. Yeah, I mean, it's still, I mean, again, guys, we're still looking at this as kind of like inside day right now. So until we break above these zones on the YM, still trading it like an inside day, right? So still looking at this as an inside day type of trading. We knew we knew. Well, I said we knew what this push up was coming, right? We knew there was gonna be a push up this morning, and it happened. So here's the neat thing about this, guys. Guess what? YM goes back below the pivot. Where's the trend? Down. So until you get sustained buying above this area, treating it like an inside day. And this is a first touch rule on the long side for you guys on the YM. Looks like it could be a first touch rule. Now, don't just do a first touch rule. Why? Because do you really want to buy into resistance right now? No. The answer probably would be no. So you would confirm that long signal with a buy signal on the 16 tick rule. Or maybe a W. Consolidation. So be careful. Those of you trading the YM, don't get chewed up here. Don't do it. Same for the ES. You're still treating this like a bigger M. All right, guys, those on the ES, you're still treating that like a bigger M. And like we said, push up, get everybody long, and the push down. So you get the big fake out, try to get everybody short. It gets everybody short when they first get in. Market moves it. And this is what happens to newbies all the time, guys. Especially days like today. I've made what, like 5 warnings on this, Coach Paul?
At least.
At least 5 warnings on this. giving you guys ample warnings on the consolidation periods, being safe, be careful. Trade out of the consolidation. Again, if you're going to do anything on the long side, you're going to do it with like a W. Use stochastics. Uh-oh, that didn't work right. I should have left that on short trade. Use your stochastics, and let's get this out of here. That did not work the way I expected that to, so let's go ahead and move some of these down. That is not pretty. Oh man. All right, let's close these out. Try that again. There you go. Regardless, you guys saw it. Would still be short. A little glitch in the matrix there, I think, Coach Hugo. Probably have something setting wrong inside the system here, so it shouldn't have done two orders at the same time. Again, like I said, those are for example purposes only. Got the M that formed on, like I said, guys, you're treating this like an M on the ES. So you guys could be short on the ES. And if you were following along, had your stop in the right spot, you could still be short on the YM. Only long trade would be a W. That's it, guys. Got the buy signal. That works. If you take the buy signal, you get your targets off, move your stop like we just showed a couple times on the screen, and worries out. There you go. Everybody see that? Everybody understand that? You saw it twice on the short side, 2 times in a row, right? 2 times in a row on the short side. So you do the exact same thing on the long side. Your target's off. Still, guys, still looking to see this push back down now. Again, the YM's not far from being a trend change day. Obviously, on the ES, looking at those sell signals. Hopefully, if you did this, you got a target of 2 off. How many people did the short on the ES? So yeah, Dave, good job, Rick. That's it, Rick. Rick's the only one, huh? Yeah, all right, make sure you guys know how to get both. You guys, I know, still. What'd you do? Start back here, Wilbur, from the zone. Took the short from the zone. That's what I thought. That's what we have the zones there for, guys. Get your targets off, move your stop to a no lose situation, and sit back and relax. Again, on the YM, you're teetering in this area. This is why we have zones. If you're going to do the long trades, do what we just talked about. Wait for a buy signal. Get your target off. Move your stop. This should be acting like two-way trading. I forgot to turn the sell signal back on. So with the trend, you can be fine, guys. Think about it. What would you like to see with the trend? Maybe if we've talked through this morning, guys. So Dave, I'm just trying to walk back through it, guys. Just trying to walk back through what we talked through. First touch rules, W's, do it with the trend. Was that big? Take trades from prior swings with the trend. Where's the prior swing? I don't know. I don't see one. I wonder if there is a prior swing back here. Let's look. Oh, yep, sure is. So you might want, if you want to be on the long train, you might want to wait for the market to pull back down to somewhere in this area in the YM. Have that, Dave? Makes sense. Somewhere back to this area. Does that make sense, Dave? I want to help. Okay, thank you, sir. So if you're doing the long trades at the top again, what is the thing? We walked through this early this morning. We walked through it like 5 times. You are to get your targets off fast, guys. Get the targets off fast. Smaller targets than normal. Probably half. Oh man, I'm losing my voice. What's going on there? Puberty. Going through puberty. Probably like half your normal targets. Half the size. Or trade smaller today. If you're usually using 3 minis, you might want to use 9 micros. You guys get that, right? Starting to get that sell signal. A break below this 89 exponential in the YM should be a good sell signal for you guys. Yes, just chopping along to the side. So not unfamiliar territory with that. So you just, again, with the ES guys, you got to realize they're going to try to take your stops. So you want to be very patient moving your stops. Very, very patient moving your stops on the ES, which is why you want to get targets off quick. Get a couple targets off quick. Be patient moving your stop. Same with YM. If you're taking the sell signal from the zone, get those targets off. Be patient and move your stop to a no lose situation. And then sit back and relax. We've seen this before, guys. Again, we've seen this before. What happens on days like this? Get that push up, then you get the sell signal. It usually comes out of some kind of junk. So there's only 2 things that's going to come from this, guys. Both ESY. Here you go. 7 minutes. We got some news. Oh, yeah, that's right. Thank you, Wilbur. 10 a.m. news. ISM and Jolts. So newer traders probably want to sit on the sideline for news. Yeah, Dave. Yeah, that's good. That's good that you're noticing that. Obviously, again, we had to run up in a downtrend. Some advanced traders took that. We did expect a rally. So we talked through that, said, okay, wait for the rally. We knew that this could be trading like an inside day. So wait for the rally, look for the sell signal. Most likely out of this consolidation, you'll get that. Could be a good little fake out breakout. As far as that goes on the ES, same thing. So just draw a little box around the junk, right? I like what who was it that did that? When the day, Paul?
Was it?
Somebody did it. I can't remember who it was. Put a little box around the junk. Forget about it.
Wasn't that
Trade
Corey?
outside of it.
No, it wasn't Corey, was it?
Oh, maybe. Yeah.
Yeah, I like that. Black out the chop.
Yeah, black out the chop and put your buy stop, sell stop above and below it.
Yeah.
Above and below, and then you're good. So again, newer traders, those that aren't advanced, you probably want to stay away from the news. It's not going to stay like this the rest of the day, guys. You'll get your opportunities. Again, going to emphasize this more. Prior swings, prior swings, prior swings. This little junk here started right at a prior swing. So mark that out on your chart. Know that that could be a good buy opportunity if you're a trend-only trader. Everybody else, you're trading this like a breakout trade. And this is not a hard breakout trade to trade. So what am I saying? If you want to be ready for the news, have your entry orders in, buy stop and sell stop. If you trade through the news, if you're an advanced trader, you do that. Newbies, you want to stay away from the news and wait for a setup. Just a little bit of news here in a minute. A little bit of news. Let's turn this off for now. Treating it like a breakout on the YM. Same for the ES. It did come back down to a prior swing where people bought from before. And again, ES traders, no matter what side you're on, the stops are going to try to get taken. You see that. That's why you get your targets off quick and you move your stops slowly. Targets quick, stop slowly. Right. Everybody knows that, right? I'm just going to keep saying that until it gets sunk in.
Yep.
You get your opportunities with a trend, guys. Not a bad long signal. First touch rule. You can treat this like a W. Trade the breakout trade. Most likely a fake out breakout trade. But you don't know. So you have to trade what the market gives you. If somebody tells you they know this is just going to shoot right up, then they either have insider information or they're guessing and lying. That's probably be the case if somebody's taking a guess. They don't really know. All news, like I said, if you trade it like a breakout, you're long now. Looking to do the same thing on the ES. There you go. Just follow in the market, guys. So how many people followed along with that, treating that like a breakout trade? How many people did that? I only told you it was coming like 20 minutes ago, guys. How many people did it? Who did that? On the YM. Nice little breakout trade. Easy. Now you look for it to be a fake out breakout. But if you're long, you're just managing your stop. Yes, again, stay away from the news. Let it swing a little bit. Anybody do the long trade on the YM that I talked through, like for about 10 minutes? Nobody did it, huh?
I did. But
Okay. Now you're getting that sell signal from the zone on the ES. A couple seconds longer. And we'll see if this really wants to push up. A couple minutes longer. See if the market really does want to push up or if it's just a big fake out to the upside. Yes, still looks like it wants to sell from the zone, guys. So everybody can hear me, right? Because nobody's responding. You guys can hear me, right? Okay, just making sure. Just making sure. So nobody took the long trade that I suggested with the YM, correct? Then nobody took my suggestion on the long trade. Yes. Oh, okay. Maybe some. Oh, good job. Okay. Stay in it. Stay in it. Move your stop up. Lock in some points. Lock in some points. Yes. Tough sledding right now. Tough sledding on the ES. If you're doing the sell signals, guys, get those targets off quick with the ES. Looks like it wants to push a little higher. So just be aware of that. Risky business in trading today. Risky business? Whiskey business.
yeah, whiskey business. There you go.
Yeah, today's a whiskey business day.
Whiskey business day.
Trading. Here comes the selling now. Here comes the selling. On the YM, that is. Let's see if the ES wants to follow suit with that. Again, on the long side, guys, be patient. Just be patient. On the ES, again, I'm going to say this 12 times more. if you take the short signals on the ES, you get those targets off quick, usually probably about half of what you would normally do. Okay, half of what you would normally do if you're doing those sell signals on the ES. Be patient on the YM. Be patient. You either trade this like the breakout, you got stopped out, and your reversal went short, or you're patient. Don't just jump in on a first touch rule right away now. Big push up. Now here comes, again, like I said, guys, the selling's coming. So there you are. Sell signals. You should have taken this M off, right? If you're taking it, you take your targets quick. Now you're in a no-lose situation on the ES. YM, you either took that as an M or you're waiting for a good long signal. Nice job, Damien. Good job, guys. Way to be patient and follow through. Now you're getting a little bit of a buy signal on the YM. You do the same thing. Trends up on the YM. Take those targets quick. Take those targets quick. You will be sorry if you don't take your targets quick today, guys. Telling you. Trying to warn you. But get all the way back down to this zone we could get to on the ES. So your stop, just squeeze your stop down, just tick by tick on the ES now, those that are short. And again, if you did the YM long, get your targets off quick. If you didn't, good for you. Good for you. Because the YM's not giving a lot of signs of life one direction or the other. So you follow the trend. Follow the trend. More often than not. See, there you go, guys. Targets off. More often than not, the trend trades are going to give you those profits. Oversold stochastics. 16 tick rule. You had targets that you could have taken off. Now, with the breakdown, that's going to create a little bit stronger of a sell signal. Still, guys, got to think about it this way. Nice little run up like that. No follow through after. The thought process would be again that they being the big boys and girls got everybody trapped short. Now they got everybody trapped long. And maybe traders are like, what is going on? Try to go short and then immediately ran up. We knew it was going to run up. We said it 10 times. And it's in the opening comments. We knew that we were going to see chop. We said, look for the fake out breakout trade, right? We talked you through the ES trying to take stops. What does it look like the ES is doing? Taking stops.
Yeah.
You guys follow along with this? Does this make sense, everybody? You guys doing good following along with it? Like, I'm trying to keep you guys safe. Trying to keep you safe. Trying to give you good instructions on what to do. Again, on the ES, guys, if you took that short, you want to be really slow to move your stops. I can't emphasize that enough. Slow to move your stops. Why? One of these is going to turn into a runner. Get your targets quick, then slow to move the stop on your trailer. You should still be in the ES short. Hit the YM long, probably are flat at this point and looking for that sell signal, those that can trade counter trend. Everybody else on the YM, if you're a trend trader, you're waiting for the pullback to a what? You're waiting for the pullback to where if you're a trend only trader on the YM, guys? A what? Where? What's it called? Prior swing. Thank you. For advanced people, you're trading this like the fake out breakout I told you might happen. Again, on the ES, you guys are just moving your stops down a little bit more. I don't know why that didn't. Oh, I know why it did. Never mind. Well, that didn't trade in. Now I know why. It is okay. This isn't complicated. I mean, you guys, everybody saw it on the screen, right? Nice job, Wilbur. Everybody saw the trade management on the screen until that little hiccup with the technology. You guys saw that, right? Everyone say yes. Everybody say yes. Those that were looking at the YM screen saw the trade management. Okay, so you know what to do. You saw it, guys. That's how you trade it. When you have a situation like this, there's nothing else you can do. Now the ES, guys, those you ES, you got a nice short on your hands now. Really nice one. So try to walk you guys through that one with a little M there. Same thing on the YM. You guys that were short from the fake out breakout, stay short now. Just stay short, YM folks. Below this little consolidation, we'll create heavier selling. We're going to come back down to where we started. Same with the ES. We're going to come back down to where we started, guys. So just move those stops tick by tick. You can always just plop it down under these little consolidation periods. Nice, John. All right. How many people are catching a piece of the short, YM or ES? This is what we said was going to happen. We literally talked you through this at what time? Good job, guys. Good job. We talked to everybody through this at what? 8:45? Well, let's see. What time did the thing go through? Okay, we put it in at what? Around 8:45. So between 8:45 and 9, we knew that we were going to see the push up and then the sell off. Is that magical? Who's not impressed by that? I mean, come on. Give me a little credit here, guys. Just a little bit. We planned this before 9 a.m. A little bit. Not trying to be egotistical here, but dang. Told you what was going to happen. Get your fake out. Consolidation. You got the fake out. You got the short trade. Told you exactly what was going to happen, guys. Good job. Good job, Mr. Wilbur. Good trade, guys. You're going to get a runner on the ES, guys. Probably going to end up with a runner on the YM if you follow along. The one spot you're looking at, okay, those of you that are trend only traders, the one and only area you're looking at is back here. Conveniently, there's a prior swing line around that area. You are not taking a long signal until you get a W. This is what we said was going to happen. You had your chances on the long side at the top here. Now, you got to be patient because guess what? Below the pivot, we're probably going to see a trend change again on the YM, guys. So you got to be patient and wait for those trades. Told you guys 2 or 3 good trades for newer traders, people who are still trying to be consistent. 2 or 3 good trades. Each of these little retracements, guys, you can pull your stop down on the ES. Should be getting pretty darn close to having a runner. Some of you guys on the ES, it is. Who is close to that? Well, it's probably going to go back up. Well, don't. I just said don't. Okay. Okay. Wait. All right. I suggested to wait to look for a long signal back here. Unless you're willing to take a really big stop, probably shouldn't be long. Okay. And all right. That's why I'm telling everybody to be short. Telling you guys to be short. Been saying it.
Way to go, Matt.
All the way up through here. One more tick. One more tick. It's party time.
Yes, sir. Good job, Matt.
Hey, he's got his runner. Hey,
nice.
Right. Well done. Stay short on the YM, guys. Got a little bit more room to go.
Short on everything.
I don't know why. People listen to me. Yeah, Shamim, make sure to watch those videos and listen along. Listen to what I'm saying. I did say short. YM. Don't take the bicycle. Trying to help you be profitable. So listen really closely. Not sure if there's a language barrier there or not, but listen carefully, please. Right, uptrend, long. And then I told you guys we're going to get this pop up and then sell signal below.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
That's what we talked about.
They did that push and then couldn't go any further.
Nice. Nice job, Wilbur. Give that man a gong.
Nice.
All right, Walter, following along. Good job, Walter. Good job. Yes, please be in sim. If you're on trial with us, please be in sim or paper trading. Just try to follow along. Watch the videos. Getting the sell signal here on the ES again. YM, stay short. Again, back at this prior swing. What happened before? Junk. What do you think might happen now? Junk. So you're not going to go long unless you are. That's a little bit of late fill on that one.
Back this ES again.
You're staying short, guys. What's that, Paul?
I said, did anybody get back in the ES? You had
your chance to.
Yeah.
So I just pointed out.
Nice. Way to go, D. Nice.
No, you don't want to fill me.
We owe Matt a song here at some point, don't we?
What's that, Paul?
So we owe Matt a song. I think he got his runner.
I know. Good
job, Matt. Nice call.
Trade short, people. Trade short. Keep holding and trailing when we get flat. When everybody gets flat on their shorts, we'll do a little celebrating. Stay short on the YM2, guys. Remember, this could junk around this area. We've seen it before. The YM's right around the junk area. Your long signals come only with what? A W at this point. W at this point, guys. That's your long signals. They come with a W. That's it. That's all you're doing with the YM. If you don't get the W, you don't take the long signal. And when the day's daughter, I'm going to do my best impression. W. I'm sure she sounds adorable when she says it. That's all you're doing. That's it. That's the only long signal you take on the YM, guys. I'm trying to help you guys. Stay short, be short. Yes, has a little bit of fight to go through. And all right, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Let me ask you a question. Did the plan that I walked you through this morning Only trade from prior swings. Expect to push up. Look for a fake out breakout. Only buy or sell on high or low stochastics. Did that plan work out, guys? Did it work out? And we did that only an hour before it happened. Thank you, Killer B. The point I'm trying to make is, thank you, Monica.
That
That's
is
exactly
correct.
what I wanted to say.
That's what.
I appreciate you, Monica. Really appreciate you. I'm not trying to pat myself on the back, guys. What I'm trying to say is, please follow the plan. Nice. Nice. We have the zones for a reason. The only long trade you're going to look at in this zone is a W. That's it. Doesn't want to break through the support on the ES, so we probably want to just lock in a little bit more profit on that LB. You know, I like my stop where it's at. Whatever, it's profitable trade no matter what. Who cares? Maybe it'll push through the zone.
Yeah, so good resistance here, or good support here.
Or
On the
it's probably
ES.
gonna get me.
Yeah, it's gonna. I think it's gonna.
And locked in profits, profitable trade. There you go. Now you've got guys, except for the one little blunder on the technology side, you've seen how many trades on the screen this morning? 4 trades, 4 for 4. Literally on the screen. Didn't even. Nice. 10 points locked in. You guys on the YM.
Good job,
staying
Matt.
short still. W did not form on the YM. So you're not long. W did not form on the YM, so you are not long. Got it, guys? You are not long on the YM. No. W did not form. What did I tell you is going to happen? Told you this junk was going to happen around this area. And then it'll probably do exactly what it did on the way up. Junk around, boom. Go back down. I did say we were coming back to where we started from. So, great job, everybody. Great work. Again? I'll work those two together. Don't like this short as much as I did the other one. Turn that off in a second, especially right around the support area with two-way.
Welcome to Liberty Trading Club, everyone. Paulina here. Hopefully you've enjoyed our live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us live in the trade room, please visit libertytradingclub.com and register for your free 3-day trial. During your time with us, you'll have access to our live trade calls, participation in chat to have your questions answered by our coaches, as well as access to our indicators and training modules. After your first free 3 days, it is $149 a month for trade room access. Please visit libertytradingclub.com for your free 3-day trial. Please like, subscribe, and share.